I'm Kathy Bates with Practical Solutions, and today we're talking about creating a safe environment for aging adults. Living away from your parents or other loved ones and seeing them infrequently can be very difficult. Even after not seeing them for just a couple of months, you may notice drastic changes in their ability to care for themselves. Maybe they're unable to keep up with the maintenance on their house, or you see clutter creeping in that can create tripping hazards. Maybe they're not eating healthy meals and you find spoiled food in their fridge. Maybe it's difficult for them to keep up with paying bills and you notice other lapses in judgment that weren't there before. We work with families to help them through these difficult times, whether they're looking to keep their parents in their home and age in place or move to a senior living community. If the best decision is to stay at home, we develop a plan to help make that home safe without any obstacles. We also want it to be a functional home where they can have systems in place to make life easier so that they can live independently or with the help of a caregiver in the home. Sometimes it's best for that same senior to move into a senior living community. And in that instance, we help them go through everything in the house, letting go of the things they no longer need, packing up, moving and unpacking them so that they're settled into their house and they don't have to do the physical labor, but we're also there to help them emotionally through this, as it's a very difficult process. We set up the home in a familiar way so that they can easily find what they're looking for, and it helps them transition and be healthy, both emotionally and physically. With the help we offer, they're able to let go of years' worth of accumulation and get settled into their new home quickly. We have all the resources to help you through this type of transition, whether it's staying at home and creating a safe environment or moving to a senior community. Feel free to give us a call. We offer a free consultation and we'd be more than happy to sit down and discuss these needs with you and how we might help. Thank you so much.